그냥 영원할 수 없는 걸 사람 마음이 애틋해져 갈 때면 난 정말 소중했어 영원히 널 간직하고 싶어 다른 두 눈을 꼭 감았지 Dance now if you want me Let's die There's nobody here Look at how we are and to think we are so perfect pair in every way I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be fated I don't wanna be your friend I just wanna be your babe I don't wanna fade away So I can't help but thinking until we're done Dance now if you want me Let's die There's nobody here Look at how we are and to think we are so perfect pair in every way I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be fated I don't wanna be your friend I just wanna be your babe I don't wanna fade away So I can't help but thinking until we're done
So I just killed my darling. I just want to have this everything. I know I'm very possessive and very jealous, but I couldn't help it. But
Dance now if you want me Let's die There's nobody here Look at how we are and to think we are so perfect pair in every way I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be fated I don't wanna be your friend I just wanna be your babe I don't wanna fade away So I can't help but thinking until we're done Yeah, 네 눈엔 내가 있어 아마 난 널 사랑하고 있어 그걸 아는 순간 두려워 약간 영원할 수 없는 걸 사람 마음이 애틋해져 갈 때면 난 정말 소중했어 영원히 널 간직하고 싶어 다른 두 눈을 꼭 감았지 Dance now if you want me Let's die There's nobody here Look at how we are and to think we are so perfect pair in every way I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be fated I don't wanna be your friend I just wanna be your babe I don't wanna fade away So I can't help but thinking until we're done Dance now if you want me
Maasin River. All the little food vendors, stuff like they have balut, panoy, and these things, sea urchin things like kind of like an oyster, not quite an oyster, but something like that. Slimy little things, but I'll try to show it on the video. And these are shops over here. They got these clothes shops across the street, right by the river. So I got all these, all kinds of little design clothes, shirts, dresses, bags, hats, necklaces. And you go down, that's the way you go to the river there, down the steps here. And if you not part of a tour, then you'll have to pay a fee depending on what you want to do down there. But you'll pay a fee. And this is the actual river. Some one little boy playing down there. Nice river. And then go look at this side without trying to get run over. Try to show you more people swimming in the river. Kind of cool. It's clean river. It's fresh water, I do believe, which is nice. But the water is really clean. Really clean. This is looking back toward the boats you can rent and everything. Rafts down there. Going toward the jump place where you can jump into the river. I did that earlier. I've got some people showing it. I also got some drone coverage. But this is George from Maasin River. Siargao. Video?
Yeah.
Ew. Why do you have to show it?
How is it? Good?
Guess when you eat it raw like I did, you taste the guts.
Magkano lahat? Do you still want more?
You wanna try? Is this the same one as that?
Try it with the vinegar.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Try it with the vinegar.
This one.
Try it with the vinegar.
I'll try the vinegar.
Yeah, ready to eat now.
I actually like that one better.
Get another one. And then cheers.
There's more.
You're good?
I've had two.
This is like third one.
Meron kaya na yung maraming garlic? May garlic.
May garlic, may
Oh, hindi gusto ko may garlic.
How? It's all the same. What did you get?
Nah, that one's different. I think it tastes better to me.
Good.
Good?
I like that one better.
How is it?
With the vinegar, without?
With the vinegar.
Yeah,
It's better with the vinegar.
Bigyan mo ka na maganda.
Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to George All About the Philippines. Thank you.